Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Silverleaf community located in St. Augustine, Florida. Today we're going to be taking a look at a model home by ICI Homes. This model home is located in the Courtney Grove neighborhood within the Silverleaf community. Now in this neighborhood, you're able to build a home on a 70 and 80 foot home site. Now this model home is the Brooke floor plan. This home features 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a 3-car garage, and has approximately 3,610 square feet. Straight ahead, we have the 2-car garage. Currently are the offices for the builder's agents. And then on the other side, we have the 1-car garage. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Charlie Flores. I do feature new construction homes and communities on my channel. If you're looking to build from the ground up or purchase a new construction home that has already been completed, I'd be happy to assist you. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd be happy to connect. All right, here we have the front porch, double entry door. Here we have the foyer. And then 2-story foyer, so you have 20-foot ceiling height here. We're gonna start our tour, or continue our tour here to the right. This is the study. Double doors. Now if you're looking to build from ground up, you can customize your home, choose finishes such as flooring, countertops, the cabinetry style, and structural options. Now this study has approximately 13 feet with 11 inches by 16 feet 2 inches. And this is the door to the 1-car garage. Continuing our tour across, we have the dining room. Now this area features 10-foot ceilings, a large window here allowing for natural light, and the dimensions for this area are approximately 10 feet by 13 feet. And then we walk into the living room. It's a 2-story living room. We have all of these windows allowing for natural light. Give you another point of view. And the living room features 18 feet with 2 inches by 16 feet 7 inches. Heading into the kitchen now. This kitchen features the gourmet style layout. A large island. And then a hidden pantry. All right, and if building from ground up, at the design center is where one would choose the countertop and the cabinet style. All right, we see the stacked cabinets, under cabinet lighting. Microwave over here. And farmhouse sink. This model features, looks like an extended area over here. So you have additional dining space. This backyard features an outdoor kitchen. This is a backyard oasis. Like how they've staged the seating area. There's a sunken fire pit over here. A pool with a cabana, waterfall, jacuzzi. And then you have an area over here where you can lay out soak in the sun. All right, let's continue our tour inside. All right, and then here we have a powder room. This is the garage entry door, and then the laundry room here. Right, we're gonna continue our tour into the master bedroom. And just before entering the master bedroom, there is a closet here. Lots of space. Okay, here we have the master bedroom. And this room features 18 feet by 8 inches by 13 feet 8 inches. These large windows. And lots of natural light in this bedroom. Straight ahead is the master bath. Okay, 2 sinks, and then a standalone tub. And then a super shower here. Okay, and then there is a linen space. And then the walk-in closet here. And water closet. We're going to continue our tour now upstairs, where there are 4 bedrooms, and then there's a balcony area as well. All right, so here this model home features wood railing and stairs. This is something else that would also be chosen at the design center. All right, here to the left, there's a space here where you can set up a reading area or office area, as you can see here. Then a balcony. Straight ahead we see the opening to the living room. Continuing our tour over here, we have bedroom 2. And this bedroom has 15 feet with 2 inches by 13 feet. Here's the closet. On the other side is bedroom 3. And bedroom 3 has 14 feet with 3 inches by 4 feet 10 inches. And closet here. This is a mechanical room, so that's where the HVAC will be. A linen closet just before entering the bathroom. Walk-in shower. transom window up there. All right, next we have the game room area or loft. So you can set up a media room here, a game room. Maybe have an office space as well. And here we have some storage. Next is bedroom 4. I give you some perspective. The upstairs here in the model, we have 9-foot ceilings and 8-foot interior doors. And bedroom 4 features 13 feet with 3 inches by 12 feet, 2 inches. This room has access to the balcony. And this room has been staged as a sewing room. Closet over here. Okay, here we have a bathroom with 2 sinks. Shower tub combo here. Okay, and then we arrive at bedroom 5. So this bedroom features 12 feet, 8 inches by 13 feet, 4 inches. Okay, a window here and then 2 transom windows over there. Here's the closet. And back into the loft.